All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Thursday afternoon. Blessings to everybody in the name of Yeshua, Jesus, the Messiah. I do pray everybody is super blessed, even if you're not religious, and Bitcoin is taking a little dump today. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Technical Analyst 007 says 40K incoming. Man, that would be cool. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, let's see, guys, what is happening right now. Bitcoin is getting a little bit of a bounce right here. Once again, we are getting a little bit of a bounce. Let's check out our time frames. Let's check out the 6-minute. We definitely got some bullish divergences forming here, guys. But so far today, we've had these weak bounces that have culminated in nothing too much, right? Now, here's the thing, okay? I took this short trade last night, and honestly, it was meant to be a scalp trade. You know what I'm saying? It was not meant to be taken too seriously. I shorted the VWAP just randomly, small position size, because I saw bearish CVD into the VWAP, basically. Now, we're starting to take a dumperoni in queso here. Now, here's the thing, guys. Right now, I'm keeping my eyes on a few things. First of all, Bitcoin is absolutely taking a dump, and this is not necessarily the best looking thing in the world. Okay, we have just below us the Fibonacci Golden Pocket Retest 786 zone. This, to me, is really going to be a make it or break it area for Bitcoin. Alright, because this is, if we drag this back a little bit, this is the bottom of our range here. Right? Let's make this box a little bit juicier, alright? We're gonna make it white and thick, alright? Just the way your boy likes his ladies. Shout out to my wife, Big Butts 28. Now, we saw over here that this box was in fact support once, and then the candle closes. So if we lose this box, that is not good, guys. That is really not good. So we've got the golden pocket just below. We've got ourselves the 786 just below that. Now, I want to take a look here at the volume, because I think the volume, that's what's really, really important. All right, let's actually get a new chart here. Let's get a brand spanking new chart, and let's do some Bitcoin analysis here, okay? Man. So if we take a look at the volume that's traded here, guys, a few very important things. First of all right, when we look at this range here, we are losing the value area low of the range. What does that mean? That's not the strongest looking thing in the world, guys, right? Because we would have wanted to see this hold. Okay, and we did get a bounce here today, right? And of course, we did long it in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. That was one of the trade setups that we took today. And you know what, guys? It was actually a pretty good move. You know, all things considered, I'd say it was a pretty dang good move. I know that sounds crazy to a lot of people, but you know, it was a pretty good move. In fact, I actually closed out that trade in some pretty juicy profits, actually. Even though I hit a TP1, got stopped out at the entry. Okay, so we are approaching right now. Not only are we approaching the Fibonacci Golden Pocket here, another reason why I think this is probably, this zone right here is probably the last hope for Bitcoin, is because if we take a look at this larger range here, and I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame. Bam. Alright, look at this. We are back now inside of this big value area. And unlike what happened here, where we had a very, very fast buyback, we're having a slow drip. And slow drips can sometimes culminate in massive cascades of stop hunts. And here's the thing, a lot of people probably have their stops under here. I know I do, right? I've got my stops under there from this other long trade that I'm in still. Wait, hang on, that's not the right one. Hang on. Oh, hang on. Boom. Here we go. This trade that I'm in right here, I'm still in it, okay? I'm still in it. My stop's under that low. I've already raked in a profit, so it's all good in the hood if it gets stopped out. But yeah, so look, you know, I've got my stops under there. A lot of people probably have their stops under there. And then we also have to think to ourselves that we have this. All this liquidity here that can be snagged, that can be swiped. Okay, we're coming down to the golden pocket, guys. Let's see what happens as we actually come down to the golden pocket. Oh man, here we go. We're coming to the 618, baby. Here we go. We're coming to her. How's she looking? Oh man. Is she gonna hold? Is she gonna hold? Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh wow, we're getting a purple candle into the golden pocket. Is she gonna hold? We're getting a little bit of a bounce. Let's check out market cipher B, baby. We have some low time frame divergences on market cipher B here. Okay, we're not really getting a bounce yet. Okay, she's not looking so strong. Okay, we have some slight divergences on the 6 minute. Not looking at anything too crazy, guys. But this really is one of the make it or break it areas for Bitcoin right now. All right, we are in the golden pocket. This is a key support. If this support does not hold, then we're coming down even farther, guys. All right, this is key. We need to watch and wait. This is a good place to take profit if you're in a short. All right, for me, I decided I'm not going to take profits until we lose all this stuff because I have no reason to. Come on, Bitcoin. What can she do at the golden pocket? Let's watch this. This is key support. Looks like we're holding a little bit of support here. We're holding just a smidge of support. Just a smidgen of support here. Now, I want to take a look at our 5-second time frame on market cipher B, because the 5-second time frame really does tell us if I think we're going to get a bounce from here. I'd say the 5-second time frame looks pretty weak here, guys. 5-second time frame does not look too strong. It looks pretty weak. All right, but this is a very, very key level of support. If this support does not hold, we are going to see Bitcoin come much lower because once again, right, let's not forget what's happening here. Right, we have lost the small range. All right, we have lost the small range, and we are back inside of the bigger range. Okay, we are back inside of the bigger range, which basically means, guys, if we're going to lose this box here, if we're going to lose the golden pocket 786 zone, we are heading down. We are heading down to, I would say, 33,500 at least. All right, at least. Okay. So we are right now at key support, and if we lose the box that I've outlined here, then our next target is going to be the low of the range, guys. And if we lose the low of that range, well, man, it could get pretty bad pretty dang quick, guys, because then we're probably going to come back down and retest the major support resistance flip that's coming in around the $30,000-ish level. Okay. So we are dripping through, dropping through right now, the golden pocket. All right. I want to keep an eye once again on our 5-second time frame here. How's she looking? How's she looking? She honestly looks like we could find some support here. I'll be honest. She looks like we could get a little bit of a move up from this point here. I will be honest with you, because we are seeing the money flow getting higher here. We are seeing the momentum waves getting higher. So we might hold this support. I don't know. But the one thing I would say about today, guys, is today, all these little bounces we've been getting have been very short-lived. So if you're scalp longing the counter trend here, please take your dang profits, move your dang stop loss to the entry. Okay? So look, this short trade here, essentially, guys, my next target is going to be 33,950. That's where I'm going to be taking profits on this next. Right now, I'm still holding this long trade. Why am I still holding this long trade over here? Because if we get a bounce from one of these levels and we start to change market structure, right? Right now my plan is this. Let's say we do bounce from here. It's a nice confluence. It's a 786 and it's also a golden pocket. And we start to do something like this, right? Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. We start to change market structure. Then what I can do, after I see confirmation of a trend reversal, of a real bounce, is I can add to the trade a little bit. Let's say we do something like this, right? Come down for the retest. Then I can add to the long that I'm already in, bam, have my entry here, stop loss under the low, and ride it back up, okay? But if we don't get something like that, right? If we don't get something like that, then I'm just gonna let this baby get stopped out. And if I get stopped out, I'm still gonna be in a very good profit. So for me, it's a total win-win situation right here, all right? All right, so Bitcoin is in fact getting a little bit of the bounce from the golden pocket. Shout out to everybody in the chat. We've got about 900 people in here, all right? Let's see if we can't get 900 likes. All right, shout out to Crypto Incursion. Shout out to Antoine. He says 12K next, maybe according to my thumbnail. All right. Can you show us how you always get the perfect entries? Well, this entry, Akeem, was literally just shorting the VWAP, bro. I mean, it was just shorting the VWAP. So let's go back in history. Look at that. See, 5 second don't lie, baby. 5 second really doesn't lie. Isn't that crazy? 5 second time frame. So yeah, let's go back to last night. Last night, we start to get a dump. And basically, we start to get a dump. We start to change market structure. We started a new day, which was right here. And so when we came back up for the VWAP, I took a short somewhere around, I guess 37.6, somewhere around here. And it, like I said, it wasn't a big position size or anything, right? So, but you know, that thing's gone quite a bit here, so we're in some profit, baby. We're in some profit, baby. Shout out to Paul Anthony. What does short the VWAP mean? Well, the VWAP is the volume weighted average price. Okay, so every day you're gonna have this white line on your chart here. All right, called the VWAP. And it's basically, it takes the price and the volume and it makes it into one line, right? The price and the volume, and it makes it one line. And basically, this is a very important level for the day, because typically, if we're going to have a bearish day, the VWAP will be resistance. If we're going to have a bullish day, VWAP will be support. And if we have a day where we get very far away from the VWAP is a great place to look for a trade. So right now the VWAP is very far above us, which means if we start to get a short squeeze here, we look to short the VWAP, right? And the opposite is true. Let's see if we're really high above the VWAP, we look for a bounce from it, which we really haven't seen in a while. Let me see if I could find a good instance of a long from the VWAP. I can't really, guys. Not in the past few days. So yeah, that's what the VWAP is. So I've got the weekly VWAP on my chart. This is a custom indicator, but you can find it in TradingView. It's nothing super fancy, okay? All right, so Bitcoin is holding its own at the golden pocket. Okay, man, would you look at that? Would you look at that? What would make me rethink my current short idea? Nothing, man. Nothing would. I mean, like, nothing would. I'm happy with this short trade. In fact, if I give back all $4,800 of profit to get stopped out of my entry of this short, I would be satisfied with that. Nothing would make me rethink this short idea. Nothing would. The only thing that would make me maybe consider closing out more of the short is if we start to bounce and then change market structure, right? That's what's so key right now, because honestly, I took a few trades today. I took 4 trades, 1 loss, 3 wins, 1 short that I should have held, but I closed out, 3 longs, 1 long was a loss. The other 2 were wins, but those wins, I left a lot of profit on the table because I thought we were going to bounce more both times. I thought we were going to bounce a lot more both times. And we didn't, okay? So for me right now, I'm not going to try and catch any knives here because I'm long from here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait and I'm going to see if we start to bounce, if we start to come up from here, and we put in a higher high, then I will say, okay, we're changing market structure. Let me maybe scale a little bit out of the short, maybe add a little bit into the long here, because here's the truth, guys. This high from yesterday, hang on, you guys can't actually see my screen. This high from yesterday that we made way up here, okay, this high from yesterday is not very good looking. All right, it's pretty dang ugly. All right, it looks like Bill Gates. All right, soft, feminine, squeaky voice, out of shape, fat, also an expert on how to be healthy. It's not a very healthy looking high. We would expect to take this high. We would expect to even take this high. You know? And so I am still expecting here some kind of a surprise bounce, right? I still am expecting some kind of surprise bounce. But let's see. Oh man, we are dumping like a wild lady running through the jungle. This is crazy, guys. Oh my goodness. It's a good thing I had this Zebia. It keeps me sane. Alright, Bitcoin dumping once again, guys. Shout out to Divine Hood. Yeah, if we don't hold this, we're in trouble, says Divine Hood. I agree. What do I think about Pangolin? Shout out to Leo for the super chat. I never heard of Pangolin, so I'm so sorry. But I really appreciate the super chat. Shout out to Count Henny. Shout out to BM. When I took the short, originally my stop loss was above the swing high. It was a small position size. I mean, I've got... I think I started with 5 Bitcoin on. 4 Bitcoin. I don't actually remember. I think it was 4 Bitcoins on it. So, you know, typically I'll be doing a lot more with a tight stop. Okay, we are dumping. Now there's one more level we need to be aware of, guys, and that's this. This daily. It's not looking so hot, I'll be honest with you. Daily not looking so good, man. It's really not. We might be able to get a little something from that daily based on our 5-second here. Alright. But this daily is a potential area of support here. And then we have the 786. But in general, guys, you know, I don't think it's a good day to be catching falling knives. Unless you're just scalping them. Unless you're scalping them, then go for it all day. But really, we have not really seen any major sign of strength here. And the unfortunate reality is, guys, okay, just objectively speaking, looking at this chart right now, we are back inside the range, okay? Objectively speaking, we are back inside the range. And when we turn on Market Cipher B, alright, we can see the bearish 4-hour looking patterns here. I mean, the 4-hour really does look pretty bearish, okay? We were hoping it was a hidden bullish divergence, but when you see the price getting lower like this, the price getting higher and the momentum getting lower like that, looking just like our good friend. Where is our good friend? Hang on. Where is he? Here he is. Here he is, looking just like our good friend Sam Bankman-Fried's chest. Alright, where the man boobs are getting lower over time as the price is getting higher over time. This is not a very bullish sign, okay? And we can clearly see the boobs are in full effect here. Alright, let's check out this daily level. Wow, we front ran it. When you front run a daily like that, I'll tell you guys what that means. It typically means dump city's coming. Alright, when you get a bounce before a level like this, most of the time, it means we're gonna hit that level and then dump right through it, man. Alright, that's usually what that means. So let's see if I'm right. Let's see if I'm right or wrong here. When you front run a level, it's not good. It's not good. You want to see the level hit. You want to see a big dump right to the level, and then... And it should make that noise too. Oh my goodness. Shout out to everybody in the chat. We got about 1,200 people watching. Only 200 likes. Guys, what is going on? Can we get some dang likes up in here? Sheesh. Sheesh, Louise. Oh, hang on. I gotta change this tune. I like this one. I like this one. Here we go. Yeah. This is my jam right here. All right, Bitcoin. Now you could tell that she wants to bounce from the level, right? Cuz she's getting this curvature before the level. But that's usually not a good sign, man. I'll tell you, that's usually not a good sign. Yeah. Yeah. Man, I want to spit some bars, but I don't know if my audio's synced up. You know, let me see if my audio's synced up. Give me a second. Hang on. Yo. Check it out, yo. About to test if the audio synced. Gonna listen back, let me know what you think, but sometimes my voice gets off tempo with the beat. Don't know how it happens, gotta think on my feet when I'm spitting bars. Bitcoin price going far, going real short, really high to the stars. Check it. Alright, let me see if that works. Tell you that's usually not a good sound. Check it out, yo. About to test if the audio synced. Gonna listen back, let me know what you think, but sometimes my voice sounds pretty good actually to me. Yeah, turns out that the audio synced. I just listened back to let me know what you think. Today Bitcoin is dumping real hard, going really far down, it's going far, but hey, check it. Got the purple and we got the blue when I'm walking on the treadmill in my nice new shoes, going long, going short. That's how you hoard. If you mess with me, yeah, you're gonna get hoard. Oh, I don't know what I just said. People listen to me and they think that I'm brain dead, but hey, what do you expect? My skin is super white and I don't freestyle all day and all night, no. I just do it part-time, but I can't help it. In my soul are the rhymes. Every day when I'm eating the limes, I do it every single time I'm doing the lines. Not talking about anything that's bad. Talking about trading, the trend lines, best you ever had. Got the Zevia, drinking the soda. Walking on the treadmill, my name is not Yoda, cause oh, I don't even watch that Star Wars stuff. Don't give me no movies, I've already had enough. But I'm here on the charts, it's like a work of art. Hitting the daily, are we gonna start bouncing? No. Got the flow, dumping down, and that's for show. I told you, man, if we bounce before the level, you can rest assured that she's going to head down the place. Every single day when I'm trading in my space, got that super look all over my face. Got the 786 down yonder. I wonder how far we can go. It makes me ponder, but I'm still okay, beat's over. All right, maybe we are bouncing from the daily. I don't know. Let's check out our 12-minute. Man, I don't like it. I don't like the 12-minute. Let's keep dumping it. Let's keep dumping it. Wow, we had a lot of shorts open up right into that daily, man. That is pretty wild. Actually, yeah, a lot of trap shorts right into that daily. A lot of trap shorts into that daily. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, well, let's wait and see. If we really get a bounce here and we change market structure, man, then maybe we could look for a little something here. You know? Man, it would be a bum if we actually did bounce from the daily. Can you imagine if we actually did bounce from the daily after all that? After all that freestyling? But yeah, it is a level. My 5 seconds not looking so great. How's our 12-minute? Ah, looks like crap. I'll be honest with you guys. I think we're coming lower. I think we're coming lower. Yeah. Check it. Yo, about to rap, let me feel the mix. Bitcoin's dumping straight down to the 786. Oh, I don't know if y'all could spot it, but we just fell through the golden pocket, man. Bitcoin does it. Oh, I hate when the beat ends before I'm done, man. You know? Alright, Crypto Fart, he can't watch this. Alright, my man. Well, we got 1,300 people in here, 400 likes. Let's see if we can't get the likes up to the watchers right about now, baby. Alright. These bottom shorts can get wrecked. Yeah, I'll be honest with you, okay? Something right now that makes me super bullish is these shorts. Look at this. Right in the bottom. Oh my goodness! 2.2 million shorts. 5.2. We got a lot of shorts who shorted that bottom. That is not a bearish thing, guys. Let's just put it that way. Lots of liquidations, lots of longs liquidated, and shorts into the daily. That actually is bullish. I'm not gonna lie, guys. That actually is bullish. All right. That actually is bullish. So let's see if we start to change market structure or get a big pumperoni and queso. Then yeah. Yeah, and look at this, guys. Solana, the level we've been looking at for literally, I would say, literally weeks now, gave us the short. That is crazy, man. That is crazy. All right, so Bitcoin did get something very bullish happening at that daily level, which is we saw a lot of shorts open up. So if anybody doesn't know how to see the shorts opening here, wow, okay, look at this. This is called net shorts, and you can see them opening up. And in this candle alone, we've got about 8 million shorts right at the bottom. Oh my goodness. And not only do we have 8 million shorts opening up at the bottom, but this blue bubble means longs are liquidated. So you have a perfect storm of longs getting wrecked and shorts shorting the exact bottom. Basically, that can allow whales to fill up a massive buy position. Okay, because if you have a lot of longs getting stopped out in the market, that looks like a sell order, freeing up a lot of liquidity into the market. And if you're shorting, that's also a sell order. And if you were a whale looking for a big brown bob trade long position, right? Excuse my language. Then you would be looking down yonder. Okay, this could be bullish. In fact, this is so bullish. I'm gonna take a little profits out of here. Bam! Alright, that's how convicted I am that this is a little bit bullish. Alright. Would you look at that, man? Would you even look at that? Okay, now, we wait until we change market structure here because we're still long and strong, baby. Alright? And so this is a key level, so now let's wait and see how she goes. Is she going to change market structure? Because we have to think to ourselves as well, man, we could get a short squeeze, baby, because look at all this liquidity just waiting to be swiped up. Okay, so I'm going to be watching real close here. If I see that we are changing structure in any way, right? If I see we take out this last lower high, I'm going to be adding to this long. I have nothing to lose. Okay? You know I'm going to be adding. I'm going to be adding. Let's get a good, let's see. Can we get a good beat? Can we get a good beat in here? Hang on. Yo, change market, you know I'll be adding. Putting in the Bitcoin, you know that I'm padding. But hey, we came down right to the daily. Shorts on the bottom and the longs wreck city. Oh, now we're pumping right back up. Got the shorts trapped at the bottom, out of luck. Drinking Zevia every single day, sitting down at the charts when I'm trying to get paid. It's your boy, J Casper, chilling in the house when we're looking right here at the Bitcoin bounce. And oh snap, let me take a peek, but I'll bet you that we got some uneven cheeks on market Cipher B, maybe Sam Bankman-Fried's. Uneven upside down, man boo bees. Market Cipher B predicts the price. Every single day, man, pumping it nice. Here we go. We're long, maybe we're short. If you're gonna mess with me, then you're gonna get hort. Because every single day and every single night when we're down at the charts, we're putting in the fight cause we're rapping real hard, freestyling every day. That's what we do when we're trying to get paid. When I'm walking on the treadmill, candles are blue. Got myself a nice pair of walk-in shoes. Walking and trading and rapping and streaming. That's what I do, if you know what I mean. Are we gonna change market structure? I don't know, we can't really know for sure, but if we do, you know I'm gonna add to my long when I'm walking every day and I'm singing the song. Got the little bit of shaking in my voice, but I can't help it. I don't got no choice, cause when I look at the markets, I get really scared. Looking around, they could be anywhere. Makes me so nervous, I spoil my underwear. That's what I'm doing, and I don't even care. Got a hat on my head so you can't see my hair. Haven't washed it in days, but I don't even care. Haven't slept in weeks, cause I'm looking for the cheeks. A market Cipher B when I'm taking a peek at the chart. All day and all night, looking at the candles, trying to get it right. Going long, going short. Every single day, that's what I do, cause my name is Jay, the Casperoni and cheese. Oh baby please, oh my goodness, eating the cheese. High in cholesterol, hope that I don't fall. Got the nice flow and I'm doing it solo. Yeah, now we pumping baby. Bitcoin pumping baby, Bitcoin pumping. Came to the daily and got the bounce. Hope you're not scared like you just saw a mouse. All right. All right. What is this? This is called trading, walking, freestyling. Chilling, my man. All right. Guys, I have conviction in this pump. I am not gonna lie to you. Alright, I am not gonna lie to you guys. I have some conviction in this pump, alright? Like, I know it's a humble beginning. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, I'll lie, guys. I think we're dumping down to the 786. I have a feeling because of what we saw down here, this is wild. And here's what's even more wild, guys. Those shorts have not even closed. They have not even closed. So right now, we literally have millions of shorts underwater. All right, let's take a look at the order flow. All right. See all these shorts that opened up here? We can actually see how many. 2 million, 2 million, 2 million, 6 million shorts right here at the price of 35,760. Then we have more shorts opening up right here 3.6 million at 35,560. Then we have even more shorts opening up on the way up. And so these guys are underwater right now. They're underwater. Fuel to the fire, baby. You know? Alrighty. Let's get the pump going a little bit, alright? We're gonna get the pump. We're gonna start pumping the Bitcoin price for y'all, alright? That's what we're gonna do. Alright, this is called the pump song. If anybody doesn't know, this song is guaranteed to pump the Bitcoin price. Okay, it works every time. Sometimes it has a delayed effect. Alright, but we are going to pump the Bitcoin price right now. Alright, check this out. Check it out. Here we go. Here we go. Let's pump! Yeah! Here we go. We gonna dump? No, we gonna pump, baby. We gonna dump? No, we're gonna pump. We gonna dump? No, we're gonna pump. We gonna dump? No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We gonna dump? No, we're gonna pump. We gonna dump? No, we're gonna pump. We gonna dump? No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Come on, Bitcoin. Don't dump on us. We're singing the pump song. Sometimes it does have a delayed effect. Alright. Alright, this is it, guys. Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Alright, it has a delayed effect sometimes, guys. This is technically our first area of resistance, as we can see clearly on the chart right here. Alright, this is the last high, so if we break out of this, baby, it opens up a new frontier. Here we go. This is why we all came here tonight, guys. This is why we all bought tickets to the show. To the backwards hat, 30-year-old white guy technical announcement, sweaty on the treadmill trading show, to sing the dank pump song. This is our last chance to pump the Bitcoin price. And I hope you're ready for it. Because I sure am. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. We're pumping Bitcoin, baby. We're pumping Bitcoin, baby. We're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Yeah, we're gonna pump. Yeah, we'll pump. And look at that, baby. Finishing off with a blue candle. And that's what I'm talking about, man. Woo! Alright, well, here's the thing, guys. Here's the truth. Alright, you can probably hear the treadmill now. Hang on. Here we go. Noise gate activated. Oh, man. But hang on. I like this song. I like this song a lot. You guys like this song? This is a good song. It makes me want to pump. Here we go, baby. We're pumping Bitcoin.
Let's pump this Bitcoin. We're going straight up to 100K. 100K. Let's pump this Bitcoin. We're going straight up to 100K. 100K. We're gonna pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see that blue candle. Pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. Now we're pumping. Let me see a blue candle. Now we're pumping. Let me see a blue candle. Now we're pumping straight to the moon. Now we're pumping straight to the moon.
All right. This song pumps the price too, guys.
We're pumping Bitcoin going straight up to 100K. Let's go. Let's pump this Bitcoin. We're going straight up to 100K. 100K. We're pumping Bitcoin straight up to 100K. 100.
Here we go, baby. Here we go. All right, guys. Well, God bless everybody watching and listening. We've got about 1,200 people, 600 likes. And guys, I have to head out. My wife needs help. She's pregnant. We got kids. They're crazy. All right, Bitcoin's pumping. But I have to head out, guys. But I love all of you. And may God bless you all in Jesus' name. Even if you're not religious, may God bless you all. I don't take myself seriously at all. But I take my walk with the Lord very seriously. Because my relationship with God gives me meaning and purpose and hope in life. And so may the Lord bless you all. May He protect you. May He shine light upon you. May He have grace upon you. May He turn His face towards you and give you wholeness. In Jesus' name. And I'll see everybody in the next stream. Peace.